Here we are again in the Moonbase workstation, continuing with the project to try and do something about the loose wheel on my Century 21 work at Moonship. I've got an assistant with me this time. You can see that he's saluting all our viewers. He comes complete with huge double grip soldering iron, which could prove very handy. Okay, now with the A-high Moonship, it was easy to get the various end nozzles off. This is not the case with the Century 21 toy. They just do not budge. Now I've tried applying some force, but I certainly don't want to apply any more. The glue is still sound, so this means that I can't get, even if I take the screws out, I can't get this toy to come apart. So I've no chance of replacing in any way the U-shaped stopper that was holding the wheel in place on the A-high version. I've got to come up with something else. You can see that I've managed to rattle out the wheel. Here it is. I've just wedged it in position. I'm actually now going to attempt to take it out. I will have to apply some force, so hold your breath as I'm holding mine. I will have to prise apart the wheel brace a little bit more. Here we go. Blimey, just does not want to come out, as it was never meant to, this way. Bit more force. Oh, I didn't like the sound of that. As I've said before on these videos, I am not a natural toy restorer. I am rather a clunker and bodger, but anyway, there's the wheel. What do you think, Joe? Call him Joe. Yep, he's raising his arm, he likes it. So the next question is, how do we get that to stay in position in that wheel brace? And that will be the subject of the next short film. If I could just get this damn camera to switch on.